Petak Sembilan market, which is like at Kota, which is the old city of Jakarta. And I'm just gonna be bringing you guys on a walkthrough of this market. You can find lots of like fresh vegetables and like fish and meat, etc. This is tempeh, which is like a local delicacy in Indonesia, and that's petai, stinky bean or smelly bean. So it looks like this when you open it. It's so good. It's like one of my favorites. So this tempeh, right, some people steam it, some people grill it, and some people fry it. So there's like many ways of cooking this tempeh, which is like fermented soybean, and it's a really nice snack when you're here in Indonesia. This is like atapchi, but it's really hard to bring back because like it will become watery when you bring back. More atapchi, so much. Jackfruit.
Oh iyalah.
There's also shops selling prayer goods here and a few food stalls, ready to eat food. Ice chinchou, which is like grass jelly drink, and then like on the other side, I think I'm going to try this. It's like otak, which is spicy fish paste that's grilled in banana leaves, and I really like it. We have it in Singapore too, but let's just try Indonesian version. Hello, ini berapa?
6.000.
6.000 satu. Okay. Satu? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to try this otak that I just bought. Let's open it. Oh, it looks like it's non-spicy. Let's try it anyway. It honestly just tastes like fish cake. It's not spicy at all, which is different from what I'm used to. In Singapore, it's like spicy, and Malaysia also. This is like non-spicy version. There's also like this store selling condiments and noodles and breads and stuff.
Ini kremes dari Singapore.
The avocado here looks so big. Some household products. Bakso with beef. Ini apa?
Babi kecap.
Okay. So it's like the parts of a pig, like stewed and braised. You can also find snack shop over here like this ones if you want to buy like snacks home. And lots of like candies. There's like this preserved plums as well if you like sour snacks. And then other nuts, lots and lots of nuts. This one is so cute. It's like mini curry puff. But I think it's like peanut filling inside. Yeah, it's peanut filling mini curry puff. So cute. This tempeh is like 100,000 rupiah for 1 kg, and half a kg is about 50,000 rupiah. So I think it's about $3-ish Singapore dollars if you're looking at 500 grams of this tempeh, which is fermented soybean crackers. Yeah, it's also considered healthy.
Dari mana? Malaysia? Singapura? Ya, fish. Apa? Pengiri. Sudah tulis sudah.
So he's cooking like something that's called mee sagu at this shop. So I'm hungry and like the noodles smell so good just now. So let's go into Gojek and order mee sagu. They also have like coffee beans here if you are interested in coffee. There's like coffee and non-coffee options. So the mee sagu that we ordered is not on the menu yet. It's 35,000 rupiah. I think it's about 2 plus Sing dollars, but it smells so good, so I'm gonna eat it.
Tambahan gitu ya. Oke. Ya udah. Jadi pesanannya ekor susu. Lu tambahin apa tadi?
It's so good and so fragrant. I think you should try this if you're ever here.
Daging ya pesannya. Oke, pesan ke saya nanti dia dagingnya 3 kan besar ya.
So good. So if you walk out the market, you'll see like this stretch of shops as well, selling more knickknacks for your everyday life. Some food shops. And a pharmacy. This jambu, or otherwise known as roast apple, looks so crazy good. It must be so sweet. baby pineapple looks so cute.
Donatnya satu berapa? Jadi satunya 10.
That sagu noodles was so good. It reminds me a little bit of like Thailand pad thai, and this is probably it for this market. Hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough of this whole market, and see you in the next one.